Okay, I'm going to mention the occipital lobe, but I'm gonna sort of dismiss it rather dramatically, because the occipital lobe is this most posterior region, right, of your cerebrum here, of the cerebral cortex, and it's very important for visual perception. And I don't mean to dismiss visual perception. Visual perception is an enormously complex and fascinating area of inquiry, and it's an extremely important ability or faculty that we have. And one of the most remarkable things about it, and its relationship to other complex cognitive abilities and perceptual abilities, like auditory language processing, or language as a whole, cognitive effort, actually, is how it is actually dependent upon multiple regions, a very complex network of interconnected regions in the cortex, many of them which are found in the occipital lobe. But it also involves structures that are networked with the occipital regions that are found in the parietal lobe. Remember, again, for sort of determining where things are located. There's a lot of spatial mapping, visual input that is going to be occurring with the assistance of regions that are found in the parietal lobe. And then we're going to see also that visual input is going to be relayed along the temporal lobes as well. And quite a bit of lateral, and particularly ventral-lateral regions of the temporal lobe, we'll see are going to be involved in identifying what various objects are. So the point I'm trying to convey here is that visual perception is a very complicated and essential operation of our brains, obviously, and it involves a large number of distinct, interconnected regions. It's a complex network, but the initial receipt site and a great deal of that visual processing actually will occur in the occipital lobe, our most caudal or posterior cortical lobe.